Hey guys, I am Vanshika and welcome in my channel Cool Study। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से इक्वेशन कैसे सॉल्व करें और ये मेथड क्लास 10th के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। सो लेट्स राइट वन क्वेश्चन। एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 6x plus 5. Now we required two numbers L and M whose product are equal to the product of first term and the third term, means 5 into 1 is equals to 5, and L plus M is equals to 6. So L is equals to 5 and M is equals to 1. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस x प्लस 5. अब इन दोनों में से कॉमन क्या निकलेगा? x प्लस 5 प्लस 1 x प्लस 5, क्योंकि इन दोनों में से कॉमन तो 1 ही निकल सकता है। फिर हम लोग करेंगे इसका और इसका ब्रैकेट, x प्लस 1 x प्लस 5, एंड दे आर ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 0. फिर हम करेंगे x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0 और x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. x इज इक्वल टू -1 और x इज इक्वल टू -5. So these are your final answer. x is equals to -1 or -5. Now you do not have to show these calculations. Okay, so make sure that you do not show these calculations. Now let's move to another question. X square minus 9 is equal to 0. Now in this equation we do not have to find L and M. We simply write x whole square minus 3 का whole square is equal to 0. This is right. Then what do we know about identities? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. This is what you have learned in class 9th. So you have to simply put these identity into these equation. So here क्या आएगा? x minus 3 x plus 3 is equal to 0. x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. x is equals to 3 or x is equals to -3. So your final answer is x is equals to plus -3. This is another type of quadratic equation. Now let's move to another quadratic equation. Third question is 1 upon x minus 2 plus 2 upon x minus 1 is equals to 6 upon x. This is a bit tricky question, but if you solve it lightly, you would find easy. We would be taking LCM. So 1 multiplied by x minus 1 plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 upon x minus 2 x minus 1 is equal to 6 upon x. multiplying x minus 1 plus 2x minus 4 upon x square minus x minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 6 upon x. Then x and x, so 3x minus 4 upon x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 6 upon x. Now we would be cross multiplied. 3x minus 4 3x minus 4 multiplying by x is equal to 6 x square minus 3x plus 2. Now multiplying 3x square minus 4x is equal to 6x square minus 18x plus 12. Now if you will solve this equation, you will be getting 3x square minus 13x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we would have to find L and M is equals to 12 into 3, that is 36, and L plus M is equals to minus 13. Such numbers can be minus 9 and minus 4. You need not have to show these calculations. I am telling you again and again. So we would be writing 3x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. Taking common, 3x square no 3x x minus 3 minus 4 x minus 3 3x minus 4 x minus 3 is equal to 0.
Start.
Moving forward, 3x square minus 4 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 3. X is equal to 4 upon 3, or x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 4 by 3, comma 3. This is our final answer.
Oh.
Now we are at fourth question. This is a root question, so make sure that you learn and revise all root questions. Question is x square plus 2 root 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. L m is equal to minus 6 into 1 is equal to minus 6. L plus m is equal to 2 root 2. No requirement of these calculation in the paper. I am telling you again and again. So such numbers can be L is equals to 3 root 2, M is equals to minus root 2. Moving forward, x square plus 3 root 2 minus root 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Taking common, x plus 3 root 2 minus root 2. Now this 6 can be written as 3 root 2 into root 2. So if we take root 2 as common, minus root 2 as common, therefore x ये बचेगा तो माइनस प्लस थ्री रूट टू इज इक्वल्स टू 0. x माइनस रूट टू इज इक्वल्स टू नहीं x plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. X minus root 2 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to root 2, or x is equal to minus 3 root 2. Therefore, our final answer is x is equal to root 2 comma minus 3 root 2. Now I am giving you 7 questions of this factorization, and make sure that you have ability to understand them and able to solve them. These are the questions you need to practice at home. I hope that with me, your factorization process has become more easy and comfortable. The answer to these questions have been provided in the description box below, and please let me know the number of questions you had done correctly. So guys, bye. We will meet in next video. Bye.